Today we will have a look at the Col de Tourmalet, which is supposed to be one of the most beautiful places in the Pyrenees, and also at the Col de Langlet, I think it's called. It's the highest unpaved road of the Pyrenees. So we will be doing a lot of kilometers today through the Pyrenees. We will also be driving past Lourdes. Lourdes is quite a famous place for Christian people. I really love those long swept coturns right here. Whoa! So I just had some food in Lourdes, and now we'll continue my way to the Col de Langlet. So the food in Lourdes was quite good, and those mountain roads here are currently really amazing, even though they're also scary because it goes really steep down this cliff right next to here. As you guys can see, you can basically not see the ground even if you look deep into it. It's a bit scary, to be honest, but the landscape is gorgeous. Woo! This is amazing. I think this is also what you imagine when you hear about the Pyrenees. It's those kind of roads right here. Also, all the effort makes this stuff worth it, because what I have basically not talked about yet on this channel is how much effort it actually costs to do those kind of videos here, and also to do this kind of travel, because that can sometimes be really hard. Like I was earlier just sitting at the supermarket being like, oh, I'm exhausted, sitting next to my shopping cart basically, because the shopping cart is then often like this little bastion of freedom where you don't have to wear your jacket, your helmet, your rucksack and everything, and can just push everything around with you in the supermarket. Oh my god, those roads here are gorgeous. I'm going to pull over for gas in a minute. Hey guys, I'm now roughly 2,000 meters in the Pyrenees. The views are amazing. The bike is struggling a bit. I don't know if it's because of the heat, but it just feels weak. Not the heat. Yeah, the heat could be that too, but also the height. But I don't believe that. Something must be up, or maybe it's the weight. I don't know. So guys, this is now my second time driving up this mountain, because the first time my microphone malfunctioned. And I already had such a blast going up there the first time, so I just do it again and give you guys the recording of the second time, because those mountain roads here are amazing and the landscape is so incredibly beautiful. It's insane. Like, it's one of the most gorgeous things I've ever seen. I'm wondering with those poles over there if they're for bicycle races or to see the road in the snow, to be honest. We will be driving through the clouds and down on the other side into Spain. The landscape here is just so gorgeous. This is just so much fun! Oh, the landscape is incredible. Like, the driving is already nice, but just the view. Oh my god. The trip into the Pyrenees is definitely worth it. Like, this is just absolutely amazing. Ooh, little stones. But there's also a recording of me on top of the mountain in a minute. Because this is the second time I have to record this because my fucking microphone is not working. Sometimes those things just do your head in. And that was one of those moments. Because every time I have a really good recording, something like this happens. Oh my god, this looks amazing. Just look at the... I wanted to say I don't know the English word for like valley between two mountains. The second guy didn't wave back. Come on. And we're close to the top. I think this is the highest unpaved road they were talking about, but access interdit. You're not allowed to go up there. But just look at the road we just drove over. Honestly, what was super fun earlier on the other side is kind of dangerous on this side with this shit visibility. Oh, we have little sheep again. Wait, maybe I can pet one of you guys. Hello, how are you guys doing? Only you don't want to be petted. You're just going away. Okay, we'll be pulling over here. Disculpe, hay un problema con la bicicleta?
Oui, la chienne.
La chienne? You speak English or French?
Yes, English.
English. It's broken because otherwise I would have tools in the back.
Yeah, it's broken.
So you can't fix it.
Maybe.
Let's have a look.
Well, that would be great, but
I just have a basic toolkit for motorcycles, so that's why I stopped, because I thought maybe I can help you.
And
So it snapped over there.
wait a minute. How is it? Ah, no. You see?
Yeah.
It's completely broken.
Yeah. There's also no way to take apart the elements.
Yeah, but the tool for that, I've got it on the camping place.
Oh shit.
Hey, thank you very much.
Yeah, no problem. Good trip to you.
Have a good time. Eh?
Yeah.
Yep.
So I just had a chat with a Dutch guy who broke down with his bicycle. Honestly, I'm a bit confused if we're in France or Spain. Looks like France at the moment. Riding through the Pyrenees here is just a blast, but that my recording was messed up just got to me. That's so frustrating. Like, imagine driving all those kilometers trying to build a YouTube channel like this, and then when you have like one of the best, like basically the best road of your trip, your microphone malfunctions. Like, just what the fuck? That is so demotivating. I mean, I redid some of the road now, but still the feeling in my gut was not nice at that point, and it's a bit of a low point right now. But we will get going, and yeah.